How to fix kernel mode heap corruption on Windows. So in order to fix this issue, let's first go to Windows and search for memory diagnostic tool and run memory diagnostics on a computer. You might be facing the blue screen of this because of some problems on your RAM or your memory. So from this memory diagnostic, you will be able to solve your problem if there are any problems in your memory or your RAM. Then the next option is to scan for malware. Open up your Windows Defender or your antivirus and scan for malware. Show that your computer is not affected from any kind of malware or a virus. Now the next thing to do is to open up command prompt and run as administrator, and we are going to check the status of our drives, whether they are corrupted or not. So run the chkdsk space /f and r and hit enter, and it will help to determine any issues on your hard drives. So the next condition is to check whether your hard drives or graphics card have fault or not. And after this, go to run command again and type msconfig, and under this general tab, select selective startup and uncheck load system services. Go to services and click on hide all Microsoft services, and after that select disable all and click OK and restart your computer. Go to command prompt again and run as administrator and type sfc space /scan now, and it will help to detect issues on a drive, see whether the drive is fine or not, and it will also help to solve the issues on drivers or system files. So these are some of the fixes for kernel mode heap corruption on Windows. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.